What are y'all making?
An airplane.
An airplane? Are you happy you out of school?
Yes.
You ready to go back to school?
Yes.
Yes.
Mommy said no.
No school today?
No, I want to go back to school.
Oh. Well, Mommy will be here in a little bit. Okay. Did you go to the garden today?
Yes.
What did you do in the garden?
Today we do.
What?
You cut
The greens?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Alrighty.
Okay.
That's those greens, guys. They are cooking. Yes, they are. And we have the dressing in the oven. So, we also have the yams, sweet potatoes in the other slow cooker. And these two right here, I'm going to put some gravy, homemade gravy. And I might throw in like some green beans because everybody in my family eat greens. I just don't know what I'm going to put in this one. Probably, it might be, I might do a can of corn or something. I don't know. But we'll see. So, this stuff here be ready before I put the turkey and the ham on tonight. I do have to make the homemade macaroni and cheese. And that won't take no maybe 20 minutes max time. So that'll be done before I put the turkey and the ham on. So yeah, everything will be pretty much done by the time my husband get home. He gets off late. So the ham and the turkey won't, but when we wake up in the morning, it will be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoying your Thanksgiving holiday. So guys, I had cleaned out my built-ins. Those girls are just busy. And this is where I'm putting my canning stuff at for right now. I still haven't did the bottom yet. But I got all my canning stuff here. I think it'll be neater. But I have all of this stuff. I got all kind of office stuff. My arts and crafts stuff is here. Of course, my gardening stuff. This strip here just needs a total overhaul. And it's just going to take a long time for me to do it. So, bear with me.